Dragster here, and today I'm going to be drifting my BRZ, trying to get used to it before import face-off. So import face-off is coming up. I got my actual good tires on my gold wheels, but these are just burners. So I'm going to burn these tires off right now. I just got my car washed, so it's all super clean, good looking. Got my Night Drift sticker on. So you already know what I gotta do. I gotta represent my Night Drifts Modify. I almost forgot my big camera so I can get some outside footage as well. So first I'm gonna be posting all the POV style videos, and then I'll just do the outside videos. Better safe than sorry. I'm gonna go ahead and just throw this in. These are basically burners as well, but I'm gonna save these for when I'm actually at the track. I'm gonna try using my ebrake more this time on my practice runs. Probably keep my lights turned off. That's pretty cool. Okay. I already blew a tire. Wow. That was short but fun. I knew that these tires are burners. I just put another tire on there because I could not help myself. I have to keep going a little bit more. Bounce. Just to short another spot. Hell yeah. Wow. That was a blast. Let's pop that trunk and go look at the damage. Gonna have to throw some more meats on now, like I do all the time though. Well, recently. Just keep throwing on wheel after wheel. So hopefully that footage was good from the outside. It's completely filthy now from tire smoke. That's insane. Dude, I just I didn't know that tires would like make it that dirty that fast. Wow. That's awesome, dude. I'm like, that's honestly, that's awesome. All right, so this is the tire that I destroyed. Yeah, look at that. Another tire down, boys. That is awesome. So that time drifting, I used my e-brake. Let me turn the lights on. I use my parent drift button way more. So whenever, I'm not gonna do it now, as the car will roll backwards. When you pull up on the handbrake and release it, it drops immediately. You have to push this button up for it to stay in place. And so that was my first time really trying it out, and it worked phenomenal. So I do a lot of drifting in VR, and I have the steering wheel, handbrake, well, hydro brake, shifter and pedals and all that. I never really used the e-brake in real life until just now, and what a difference. Like now I know you have to be in pedal dance mode on these cars. If you want to do that, you have to be in pedal dance mode, which my tuner, which is just the open flash tuner, has a button that you click and it immediately does it for you. And so it put me in pedal dance mode and I started using it, and wow, I am ready for import face-off now. Now that I know how to use that, it did help a lot. It was so much fun just ripping it and turning it really quick and drifting. Man, I am pumped. I'm gonna go ahead and throw this wheel on right now while I'm already at it. Like, it's really easy to change this the spare tire, and then like this comes with it. No matter how, okay, not no matter how low your car is, but your car can be super low and this thing will still fit under it. So I'm gonna go ahead and swap this wheel right now. Well, actually, I should probably throw my gold wheels on then if I'm gonna not drift until import face off. All right, so my gold wheels are finally back on. I probably should shut this. For some reason, the magic doesn't shut that, but you know, my gold wheels are back on. Finally, one color again with both my wheels, which it's nice looking at my car with the same wheels for once, because I've been running these piece of crap wheels for a while on the rear. But yeah, night drifts, go pick up some Modify decal stickers down in the description below. Please subscribe and like the video. I'll be at Import Face Off drifting my car. Wow, now that I have these wheels on, I'm almost rubbing. Oh man. The fitment looks amazing though, honestly. But that is pretty much it for that. The wheel that I did put on, I did chew it up a little bit on this side. So I'm probably just gonna flip this tire around and use more of this side so I can burn both of these tires off at the event. As far as these ones, these are the wheels that I completely destroyed. Yep, completely. I got some more spare rubber if you guys want any. You can like chew on it. It's like jerky right here. If you guys want some tire jerky, hit your boy up. I get them weekly now. I'm gonna have to keep finding more tires. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.